Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Asana with Microsoft 365 OAuth detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the Azure portal at portal.azure.com. Sign in with your Microsoft 365 administrator account. In the left-hand menu, select Azure Active Directory. Next, click on App Registrations. Locate and click in the registration form, enter a name for your application. For the supported account types, choose accounts in this organizational directory only. In the redirect URI, select Web from the drop-down. Enter the redirect URI for Asana, which is typically in the form of https://app.asana.com. After completing the form, click on the Register button to create your application. Once registered, take note of that application client ID that appears on the App Overview page. Next, navigate to the Certificates and Secrets section on the left side. Click on the New Client Secret button to generate a new secret. Provide a description for the secret and select an expiration period. After saving, make sure to copy the client's secret value for later use. Now, head to the API Permissions section. Click on the Add a Permission button. Select Microsoft Graph from the list of available APIs. Choose Delegated Permissions and add the necessary permissions for your application. Once the permissions are added, click on the Grant Admin Consent button to ensure they are approved. Next, go to Asana's Developer Console at app.asana.com/0/developer-console. Sign in with your Asana account if prompted. Click on Create New App to initiate the registration process. Fill in the app name and other required fields. For the OAuth redirect URL, use the same URI you entered in Azure. After completing the form, click Create App. Once your app is created, locate the client ID and client secret under the app. Copy these values and return to the Azure portal. Now you need to configure the authentication settings in Azure. Under the Authentication menu, ensure the redirect URIs are listed. Select the appropriate OAuth flows based on your app's requirements. Then, navigate back to Asana and enter the client ID and client secret in the designated fields. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.